It's B.O. Entertainment.
G-boy them gone,
Liana, it got you something about this your body will make man feel like real. But they make all the man them ginger, you make them feel like real. My baby so free with your body, you make man feel like real.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a wash and go tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this wash and go. But the two things I'm going to point out is that my hair is not completely dry, but I have to go and get my kids from school. I have a heat damaged hair right here. I once used heat hair straightener for the part of my hair right here, and it kind of damaged my hair. I don't even know what to do about it. If you have any advice for me, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely really appreciate that. And guys, you know that naturally I don't have tapered hair look. I intend to have one someday, but since I can fake it for now, I'm just gonna stick with faking it for now. So I decided to style the wash and go this way, as if it's a tapered look, because I love how it looks all the time. So this is it guys, this is a true 4C wash and go. My hair has the coils and all that. I think this is the highest coil you can get on a 4C hair. Like I normally see some people on YouTube and they have type 4 hair, you know, but when they get to the shower, they just do their wash and go in the shower and their hair coils so much, and I'm like, how come it's so easy to get their hair to coil and it's just so difficult to get our 4C hair to coil? Like, it can be crazy sometimes anyway, but this is a realistic look and I absolutely love it. And let me tell you, I'm gonna wear it with so much confidence, because I do get some comment of people telling me that when they do a wash and go, that other people, some people that are ignorant, normally tell them that it's ugly, and I don't know why people are, you know, so mean. But anyway, when you do your wash and go, you wear it with so much confidence and so much joy, and I think when you wear it with so much confidence, I don't think what everybody says about you should not bother you, you know. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. First of all, I'm gonna comb my hair out, and I'll use a smaller comb to comb out the tip of my hair. Then after that, I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Bantu leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm gonna apply it on my hair. I'm gonna use a generous amount to apply it on my hair, and I'm gonna rake it with my hair. I'm gonna rake my hair with my fingers. And as I rake my hair, I'm going to try and separate the coils as possible. You guys can see the coils already. You guys can see that the coils are popping already. So that's what I'm gonna keep doing. So guys, now I'm just gonna go ahead and shake my wash and go very well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer to dry my hair. You can leave it to air dry, but I'm in a hurry, so I'm gonna use my blow dryer to dry my hair. Don't make noise. You guys can see what the coils look like. It's not completely dry yet, but you guys can see what the coils look like. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. So now I'm gonna put my hair into a tapered shape. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Kote boy, they call me Burner. Platinums. Now you they make me sit down, they say.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a huge Shea try on haul. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and begin with this haul because I got lots of stuff. Like I always do, I'm gonna get a coupon code and then put it in the description box below. So if you want to get anything from Shea, you can have some percent off at least. So guys, I'm gonna start with this beautiful red dress. I just realized I did not have any red dress at all, and I think it should, in any girl's wardrobe, you should have a red dress. So I decided to get 2 red dresses. So I got this one. It's a velvet red dress, and I got it in a size medium, and it's so beautiful. It's really short as well, and it has the rope at the back where you can tie. It's a very sexy red dress that you can use to go out on a dinner date or whatsoever, and to be honest with you, I can't wait to rock this. So the next dress I'm gonna show you is this dress right here. It's absolutely beautiful. I really love this dress. I actually thought it was gonna stretch more than the way it's stretched. It's a bit tight on me. If I would go for this next time, I'll go for a large, you know, instead of a medium. So but other than that, the dress is absolutely beautiful. I love the nude linen they use in there. It just makes us it makes it look as if it's your skin, but it's actually not your skin showing, which is really sexy and cute. And I got it in a medium, you know. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful velvet dress. I absolutely love this dress. I love the way it looks, I love the way it fits, and it's very comfortable. The reason why I say it's very comfortable is because